Hey everyone, you've heard me talk about him. Well, here's the legend, Rory. Rory, why don't you tell us about the 9900 International? This is an 02, I know.
02 9900i Eagle. I don't know, I've had it 5-6 years now. Hauled everything at harvest and hauled everything out of the bins down to Cargill and Blair. About the worst thing that's ever happened was I blew a driver tire. Put all new drivers on last fall then, and new steer tires.
I'm pretty sure the 3 fenders that survived are going to be on the sale.
Yeah.
But I know you guys did front end work to it as well.
Yeah. Otherwise, if we ever see anything that needs fixed, it always gets fixed. I don't like having breakdowns when I'm busy, planting, harvesting, anything. Fix it when you have time, and that way everything's ready to go to work.
Yep, that's kind of the story on all Rory's equipments, guys. So we'll talk to him on a few more pieces here.